come on in.
Fancy seeing you in Tennessee.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hi, it's so good to see you.
So good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming.
So what's not working for you in here?
My least favorite thing is this island.
Yeah, it's a very awkward shape too.
It's super awkward. I mean, I think it just makes the kitchen look smaller.
Yeah.
And plus, like, obviously the height and stuff for me right now, it's totally not functional.
Not at all.
And trying to get around it.
Just the flow of the place. When you try to get outside, you have to take this hard right turn to get out, which was bad anyway. And you know, now with her, it's even harder to kind of get around.
And I'm like, running into the wall. And
Right, a nice opening.
Yeah.
Just much easier. I think just making things easier and still look beautiful.
My word of the year is ease.
Ease and peace. Like nothing needs to be complicated.
Yeah. Over the course of the last year or so, soon after we moved here, I started losing my ability to walk and get around. And so having the opportunity to do this renovation is really important for us in creating my ability to have more access and ease within the house.
Christina's the one person we trust to be able to make it accessible for us, but also make it beautiful.
What I would love to do, but need to get a cost on it, would be to extend the kitchen all the way over here, run some lowers on this back wall, and then in doing so, we'd have to get rid of this door. But I think anyways, it would make more sense if we can put in the budget to do a nice set of French doors right here.
Ooh.
Much easier, much more functional. You walk in through the front door, you want to go outside, you just go. You don't have to round corners, and I think it'll look really pretty and it'll let a lot of natural light and fresh air in.
That would be amazing.
Sounds great.
Because what I would love to do really is make the focal point of this kitchen a really beautiful, functional island where you guys can all eat together as a family. You can also use it for a workspace. So I don't really want to put the sink in there that way. The whole thing is just accessible, lots of storage, and really kind of make it look like a furniture piece.
That's great.
What are your guys' styles?
You know, we like styles that are more contemporary. So there's sort of this, how do we make it work in a place like this and having it all flow together?
We're in Tennessee.
Yes.
You know, surrounded by trees with a lush yard. I want to match the setting a bit, but yeah, bring it like contemporary.
Color-wise, like what are you thinking? Are there any cabinet colors that you've seen that you love?
Yeah, like the deep kind of like green colors, or the deep
pretty.
blue, almost black. I don't know, you know, kind of those darker cabinets. Not a whole dark thing, but
Maybe the
with-
island or the lowers?
Yeah, something like that.
So then over here, we'll run some uppers and lowers, and then we'll have the refrigerator, and then I would love to do a slide-in range, easy to open, couple really cute floating shelves on both sides, add some of that organic touch to it again with decor, and then we can run some more uppers and lowers, and then a double oven over here, again, more functional, and then a really cute coffee bar I think will look great where the refrigerator is.
Love
Love
it.
a coffee bar.
Yes.
So what are you guys thinking you want to spend here?
I would love to spend 75.
I think for sure 75 in here is definitely workable.
Oh, good.
And then I know you guys also want to show me the bathroom.
Yes.
Yes.
My nemesis.
You want to go there?
I mean, I don't know if I want to go there. I don't know if I want to take people in there, but we'll go.
I'll follow you guys.
Yeah.
Lead the way.
I'll lead the way. The accessibility in the bathroom is terrible, so having that space work for me is just going to be a huge gift.
I could kind of guess what's not working, but let's talk about what you definitely want to see changed around.
The biggest game changer for me
Yes.
is changing this bathroom. So
Yes.
I could like cry when I think of how much easier
Totally.
it could be. So obviously the shower, I want to do like a zero entry
Yes.
shower. There's a lot of elements that don't work. So the shower is really enclosed and it has a lip. And so to be able to get over the lip of the shower, Damon has to help me. Maybe put like some sort of bench seating, maybe it folds up or folds down, I don't know. You tell me what works. So basically something that looks beautiful but is functional.
Totally.
Would be my dream.
I would love to do like cabinets and then a little bit of a drop down and then cabinets, but we can do it on either side, whatever you prefer.
Okay.
What are you guys looking to spend in here?
I think 30,000 would be probably where we'd like to be.
I think that's
that
totally doable.
Okay.
Because there's no structure in here. It's just taking out the old and then using the existing plumbing and everything. We can definitely make that work. So if you guys are ready to get started, we could just get the sledgehammers in here and get demo going and say bye-bye.
I'm gonna demo it with this thing. Let's do it.
Hey, come on in.
Wow, this place is a mess.
Yes, it is.
All right, so let's talk about putting this kitchen back together.
Let's.
I know you guys mentioned doing a pop of green to really incorporate the outside in. So we had some boards painted, and I thought one of these could look really beautiful for the kitchen island, and then a really pretty light countertop.
Nice.
Pretty. I see all that's coming together right here.
Yeah, I think the white is gonna make a really big difference in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the idea of carrying the backsplash around the window. I like the idea of incorporating some natural color, floating shelves, really tying into your furniture. I think that will look really beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so are we good?
We're good.
Great. All right. Well, thanks for meeting me. I
Absolutely.
feel like it's nice to get to talk freely about all the ADA things. ADA refers to Americans with Disabilities Act. It provides guidelines for creating spaces for people with limited mobility. Obviously, it's the first time I've ever done anything like this, and it's just so close to my best friend and family, so I just want it to be absolutely perfect for them.
Awesome. Well, do you have any questions right off the bat?
Mostly, I guess, the island, because I feel like this is where Jessica will be spending most of her time. So we're doing it a bit lower than normal.
That's correct. Standard cabinet height is 36 inches. This will be 30 inches.
Okay, perfect. And then the seating will be right here and right here.
And on that side as well.
Oh, perfect.
There'll be shelves on this side, and there'll
Okay.
be a drawer right here.
Perfect. So she'll be able to reach everything, and then she could basically sit over here or over here.
That's correct.
Okay. And then we're going to have the sink area over here, and same thing with this. Will she be able to reach everything?
She will, yep. And then we added doors over there so they can still access their back porch.
Perfect. So the main thing here is just making sure that Jessica can be as self-sufficient as possible, and I think we definitely achieve that with the island. And
Absolutely.
then also, I love how you left a lot of space around the island. That way she can get around super easy.
She's gonna love it.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
It's gonna look great.
Awesome.
Want to check out the bathroom?
Sure, let's do it.
Right away, with this entrance into the bathroom, I know this is a big problem. They have this lip and then it's so narrow. So I know that's something that we're gonna address later. But right away, I can just tell how much better this is gonna be functionality-wise.
That's right.
This bathroom caused her so much anxiety, and obviously as a female, I understand, like our bathroom is our, our sanctuary. So before it was just like doors and she couldn't access anything by herself. And now this is just gonna be a zero entry, right? No dam, straight into the shower so she can wheel right in.
That's right.
I do have a question. How does the water not flow out into the rest of the room when she's in the shower?
It's all in how we ramp the tile.
So is it like it's flowing back? Is the drain gonna be here?
It's gonna flow that direction, that's
Okay.
correct. And the tub's gonna be right here in the middle, so it'll have an open concept to the whole bathroom.
Totally, and I love that it has the natural light right here by the tub so she can see out the window, and having those doors gone and just having the space to be able to just flow around here much easier. It's gonna be such a game changer for her.
She's gonna love it.
Yeah. I got some bad news.
What's going on?
I know you know the last time we saw Jessica, we could both tell that she wasn't doing well.
Unfortunately.
Right. Well, Cassie, James, and the baby had to take a red eye out last night because Jessica's in the hospital.
No.
I know. So she's gonna come over pretty soon so we can talk.
When she gets here, I'll let you guys do your thing. I'll give you your space. Love you.
Hello? Hey.
Lost Jess.
I'm sorry. It's a lot. Just take a minute,
I'm sorry.
No.
This doesn't feel real.
It doesn't. Last time we were there, I could tell she was hurting.
Yeah, it was so hard at the end, and that's not what she wanted.
I know.
She fought so hard, and while everything went so quick, it just felt like it was too much. I just have something to ask, and you have done more than anything we could have imagined for our family and forever. How grateful I am for you for everything. And as a family, it's really important for us that you guys continue. The house is gonna be a foundation for them to be able to really come together And that's just number one. So whatever you can do, I know you're gonna work hard to get that done. And it's just so important.
No, I understand. I got it.
I know
Nothing
you
for you
do.
to worry about. Obviously, my number one priority. Jessica was like family, because you're my family, and
She was your friend.
She was. I
know.
You know, I don't like a lot of people, and I really liked her.
She liked you too, and she didn't always like everyone also. I mean, that's Jess.
We're right now, I think, a couple weeks out, but after this, I'm gonna call JB, the contractor, and tell him like all hands on deck. We need to get Damon and the kids back in the house, no matter what it takes, and then, you know, we'll go over there and see what's left. And obviously, you know, that'll be the priority.
I appreciate it. We appreciate you so much and everything you've done for them and how special you have everything, because it's meant so much to the whole family. I love you so much.
Hi.
Hey there.
Hey. What's up, buddy?
All right.
It looks beautiful. I appreciate you guys making this a priority and making this wrap up as quick as possible. Do you want to just quickly walk us through everything that's left to do before they can come back home?
We have some more painting to do. We got the cabinet doors and then a final clean, and we'll be ready to go.
How long do you think?
I think we can do this within the next 3 to 4 days.
What's up, man?
Hi.
We're giving Damon some space to spend time with the kids and be with his family. So today, we're walking the house with Cassie and James and showing them the finished product.
It's a drastic change. It looks amazing.
You did an amazing job. Their island was so small that was right here, and it was so squished and tucked at a funny angle.
I think this island is going to be perfect for bringing family around and gathering.
Yep, this is exactly what Jessica wanted, and I can just feel her presence in here, and this was the exact style that her and Damon described. They wanted it to feel light and bright and modern. The green cabinets.
You know, I knew she loved green, and I knew her and Damon had talked about that, but I thought they were just gonna go with the island.
Yeah, Jessica decided she wanted bold.
I
She didn't want boring.
shocker.
That is Jessica. Bold.
My favorite part
I was about to say,
is the window.
The window.
There used to be a door right here, and we shifted it. That way we could create more space here.
Right.
We wanted to really bring the kitchen to fill the entire space. Before, it felt very closed off. They had the unnecessary table here. So by shifting the door, we were able to have all this, which I feel like feels like very soothing.
It's
So
very
nature.
soothing with the natural light that's coming through the sun, just bringing the rays through, and then the view of the yard. Be able to watch the kids play.
Yeah, that's my favorite part of the kitchen is right here.
It's perfect. I want to see the rest of it.
Okay. Around the corner, something you'll appreciate, the pantry.
This is amazing.
Don't you like the bottom levels for the kids to be able to reach their snacks?
All their healthy snacks, that's perfect. This is beautiful. And I love how you guys incorporated the green cabinets into here. That's perfect.
We didn't do much in here. We just did all new flooring, which I feel like the flooring made a huge difference. Remember before it was very dark?
It was dark. And
Yeah.
you know, with the new windows and the French door, the light you guys brought in, and with the new floors, it just looks bigger
Right.
and happier. The energy feels so good.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's the flooring and the green or what it is, but it just feels calm and
Calm.
yeah, it's just beautiful.
My favorite's the pictures.
Me too.
Yeah, they're a beautiful family.
Yeah. It's my little sis.
So one other thing we did here, and one of the things that was most important to Jessica was their bathroom. It just felt dated and claustrophobic. So there's
I
a
remember.
pretty big difference in there.
Yeah. All right, let's go check it out. Wow.
A lot more space in here now.
You guys opened up. It looks 5 times bigger than it was before.
Yeah.
Jessica really disliked this bathroom, as she should. It was tiny areas. The shower was very small, very hard to get in and out. The toilet was in this odd angle in the corner, very inaccessible, very dark, did not feel light and bright.
I know she was very frustrated with it.
Yes.
Especially with where she was at. So it's got so much more room and space.
The kids love taking baths, and this is perfect. They can be in here with Damon.
Kids are gonna be spending a lot of time in here, so we added the stool so that the kids could wash their hands up there.
Yeah.
Reese could be up there using this vanity as well.
Oh my God, Reese is gonna be here playing with her mom's makeup and just having a ball. That's a really beautiful way to honor her. I think that's really special.
Very, very special.
That's amazing.
This was a very good reflection of both of their styles.
It's very spa-like, very zen, really, it's very Damon and Jessica. The last few months have been so incredibly difficult for our whole family, but it feels so good to know that Damon and the kids are gonna be able to create these beautiful memories in this house, and really Jess's memory is going to live on with it. This is the perfect space for Damon and the kids to really be together as they continue to heal and be a family, and I don't know how to say thank you.
Yeah.
You really have turned this around for them, and this is gonna be a place for them to be happy.